The U.S. bachelor's degree. One of the most attractive features of the bachelor's degree program in the United States is that it is highly flexible. You can usually choose from a wide variety of courses and create your own unique program of study. The degree is awarded after you complete a specified number of credits, which are usually completed in 4 years of full-time study. The first year is called the freshman year, the second is called sophomore, the third, junior, and the fourth, senior. You may read that students in the United States often take longer than 4 years to complete their degrees. This may be because they change majors and need to accumulate enough credits in the new major field to earn their degree. It could also be because they take less than a full-time course load per term for academic, personal, or financial reasons. International students, however, cannot study part-time and must maintain full-time status. Academic calendar. The academic year will be slightly different for each university or college but normally runs from early September to the end of May. It may be divided into 2 terms of 16 to 18 weeks called semesters. Alternatively, the university may have quarters, or trimesters, which are about 10 to 12 weeks in length. In addition, universities very often provide 6 to 8 week summer terms. These are optional and incur an additional cost. Students attend if they wish to get through their degree faster, to decrease their course load during the regular terms, or to make up for courses not completed successfully during the regular academic year. There are typically at least 2 main holidays during the academic year: a 2 to 4 week break in December and January and a 1-week, spring break, between early March and mid-April. The credit system. Students at U.S. universities complete their degrees when they have accumulated a certain number of credits. Sometimes the terms, semester and quarter hours, or units, are used instead, for the courses they have taken. Every course earns a set number of credits, and each institution has its own requirements for the number of credits needed to graduate. An academic advisor at your U.S. institution will help you plan your course schedule for each academic year. Degree courses. The individual courses that make up the degree program can be divided into the following types. Core courses. These provide the foundation of the degree program and are required of all students. Students take a variety of courses in mathematics, English, humanities, physical sciences, and social sciences. Some colleges require students to take many core courses, while other schools require only a few. Major courses. A major is the subject in which a student chooses to concentrate. Most students choose one major, but many also pursue multiple majors. Multiple majors can be accommodated within 4 years, if planned accordingly. Your major courses represent 1/4 to 1/2 of the total number of courses required to complete a degree. Minor courses. A minor is a subject in which a student may choose to take the second greatest concentration of courses. Students may also have multiple minors. The number of courses required for a minor tends to be half the number of major courses. Elective courses. These courses may be chosen from any department. They offer opportunities to explore other topics or subjects of interest and help make up the total number of credits required to graduate. Grades. U.S. universities employ a system of continual assessment and assign grades for each course taken. Almost everything you do for a class will influence your final grade. Examinations and tests, essays or written assignments, laboratory reports, laboratory or studio work, class attendance, and class participation may all be used to determine your final grade. This means it is essential to keep up with your reading assignments and coursework and to attend classes on a regular basis. What is a GPA? Each student completes his or her degree with a grade point average, GPA. A cumulative grade point average is the GPA for all courses taken throughout the degree program. Most universities use a GPA scale of 4.0. To work out your GPA, take the numerical value assigned to the letter grade you achieve for each course, typically 4 points for an A, 3 points for a B, and so on. Then multiply this number by the number of credits each course is worth. Finally, add these numbers together and divide by the total number of credits for all courses. Most universities also offer some sort of honors degree. To qualify for an honors degree, students may be required to fulfill additional credits, write an honors thesis, and/or take a comprehensive exam in their field of concentration. Precise details depend upon the university and/or academic department.